Hello everyone and welcome to your 8th Adobe After Effects tutorial working with layers. In this tutorial we will learn to manage and work with the layers and with multiple layers. So let's start by creating a new composition. So in order to create a new composition, you can go to Composition, New Composition, or you can click on icon here, or you can press Ctrl+N to create a new composition. Just name it Tutorial 8 Working with Layers. Leave the rest at default, duration 10 seconds, hit OK. So new composition is created. Now let's create a few objects. So in order to create a new object, the shortcut is Ctrl+Y on your Windows or Command+Y on your Mac. Just press Ctrl+Y and a new solid icon will appear. Just name it, let's say 1, make comp size, orange color, hit OK. So now we have 4 solids, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If we change the order of the layers, the layer on the top will be viewed and the layer of the bottom will get hidden. This is the layer based system. So if we move the green solid above the purple solid to number 1, we will see we can view the green solid. In order to select multiple layers, you can click one layer, hold Ctrl and select other layers, or just select the first one, hold shift and select the last one, and all the layers will get selected. To open up any property, layer property, you can press the shortcut keys on your keyboard and they will pop up. For example, if I select the green solid and press P on my keyboard, the position will come up. The shortcut for opacity is not O but it is T. So if you hit T on your keyboard, opacity will pop up. Now just select all the layers, press T on your keyboard and it will open up for all the layers. If you want to change any property, do it in a normal way. Click, move your mouse and the property will change for all the objects. As you can see, since all the objects are selected, if I change the opacity of all the objects is being changed. For now we don't want opacity, we need to change the size. So for size, press S, scale will come up, and then let's bring that down to 25%. Okay, now let's bring up the position and let's deselect them and then move them one by one in the x-axis. As you can see, all the 4 solids are arranged. If you want to move them together, just select them all at once and change the position and they will all move at once. Now you can see here the green is above the purple. Since the purple is layer number 2, green is layer number 1, and all the layers below layer number 1 will be hidden by the layer 1. If we change the order, for example, we bring the blue on top of the purple, you can see the purple is below the green and blue and hence it is being hidden by both the layers. And this is how basically you work with the layers. One last thing that I want you to know is that the color of the layers over here, you can change them by clicking this icon next to the number of the layer number. Just click it and you can select any color you want. For example, I will select green for the green solid, purple for the purple solid, and blue for the blue solid, orange for the orange solid. As you can see, these layers are now easy to see and understand since we have colored them as we need. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.